Oh,
He's just
poor
taking both of his
guy.
paws back and forth, back and forth.
Coco, come here.
Alright.
Coco,
I should have done it before I came home.
Oh, you want some food? I
thought Nick was going to go and get something from your mom.
Coco, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, come on. Come on. Say, big guy, do you have no food? Well, we'll be fixing that once Mom goes to the store. Oh, Coco, are you hungry? Coco, are you hungry? Come on. Oh, come here. Come here. Coco. Hey there. Oh. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, now you're on the bed. Oh, no. On the receipt. Oh. Coco, you hungry?